Hello, Ebony People TV family. Today we are diving into the inspiring story of one of Ebony State's young and thriving billionaires, a man whose actions speak louder than words. High Chief Christian Asaga Mwali, PhD. Trust me, this isn't your typical success story. Grab your popcorn because this one's got it all: luxury, philanthropy, and a whole lot of Ebony pride. Let me take you to Wuye FCT Abuja, where the exclusive Serene Hotel stands as a symbol of elegance and tranquility. This five-star masterpiece isn't just any hotel, it's a blend of culture and modernity, designed to cater to both business and leisure travelers. It's the kind of place where you walk in and instantly feel like royalty. And guess who is behind this marvel? None other than High Chief Christian Mwali. This man right here owns this luxury hotel. But wait, let's backtrack a bit because there's so much more to this man than luxury hotels. High Chief Mwali, as his admirers call him, is a true son of the soil from Ikko local government area in Ebonyi State. He's in his early 40s, yet his achievements are the stuff of legends. And oh, this isn't one of those overnight success tales. Nah, Chief Mwali worked his way to the top with grit, innovation, and a clear vision. As the chairman of Sagas Project Limited, a company that specializes in hospitality, real estate, architecture, project management, and consultancy, he's proven that hard work and smart investment can indeed pave the way to greatness. Now, let's talk about the exclusive Serene Hotel in Abuja that has been making rounds lately. This isn't just a hotel, it's a vibe, an entire vibe, from tastefully furnished rooms that redefine comfort to a tranquil garden perfect for unwinding. This place is a haven for families, groups, and even solo travelers. And if you're all about that fine dining life, get ready to savour dishes made from the finest regional and seasonal ingredients. But here is where Chief Christian truly shines. Beyond the glitz and glamour, he's a philanthropist with a heart of gold. And so just recently, this Ebonyi-born billionaire made headlines for doing something extraordinary. He built 4 houses for his domestic staff. Yes, 4 houses. 2 mansions and 2 bungalows to be exact. Who does that? Well, a man who believes in uplifting others and giving back to those who make a difference in his life. And let's not forget, this isn't a one-time gesture. Chief Mwali's track record of philanthropy has made him a beloved figure, not just in Ebonyi State, but across Nigeria. His story is a reminder that success isn't just about how much you earn, but how much you give back. While many billionaires focus solely on expanding their empires, Chief Mwali is out here changing lives, one act of kindness at a time. And also, he doesn't stop at just one hotel. Did you know he also owns Serene Hotels in Abakaliki and another exclusive Serene Hotel in Enugu? Oh, and let's not forget Sagas Plaza in Abuja. This man is basically building a legacy brick by brick, and we are here for it. These are just very few amongst the so many projects. Okay, what do you think makes Chief Mwali stand out? Isn't just his business acumen or his luxurious hotels. It's his humility. Despite his immense wealth, he remains connected to his roots, always championing the values of community and generosity. In a world where many successful people forget where they come from, High Chief Christian Mwali reminds us of the beauty of staying grounded. He's proved that you can rise to the top while lifting others along the way. So, to our dearest High Chief Christian Mwali, we at Ebonyi People TV say thank you. Thank you for being a beacon of hope and inspiration and a proud son of Ebonyi State. We are celebrating you today, not just for what you achieved, but for the lives you've touched and the legacy you're building. Alright, that's it for today's feature. Let's keep the conversation going in the comments.